Cissy Strut by The Meters. Next up, we're going to play through it again, but this time we'll have the Guitar Pro neck diagram, standard notation, and tablature notation running along. Then we're going to work on this step by step. I'll talk a little bit about some suggested picking directions. Then I'll talk about a few chord voicings that you might work with. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. Don't miss out on future videos, so subscribe. And check out our description down below for additional resources and free lessons. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now that we've played through it again, let's work on the step-by-step. We have only two pieces of content here and they are repeated. So I'll go over each one of those. So here's the first one. So we have position 3. I'll go through this pretty slow. So in position 3, we have frets 5 and 3. Go to string 4, fret 5. String 5, fret 6, slight bend, and fret 3. Play that long. And then we're going to string 6 with frets 3 and 5. And then we're going to have string 5, fret 3, string 6, fret 5, and then over to string 5, fret 3 again. Play that long as well. Now I'd recommend using alternate picking with this. So here we go with that. So we go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So alternate picking, the hand just goes back and forth with the subdivision. And then we're going over to B flat major chord here, B flat major triad. Okay, so that's strings 2 and 1, finger 1 barred, and then finger 2 on string 3, fret 7. Okay, then we're going to go to an F major triad, finger 1 barred across. So we have fret 5, strings 1 through 3, and then finger 2 on string 2, fret 6. So putting that all together, okay, and the picking directions really the same as before, or same method anyway. Down, up, up, up. So there we have the first phrase, and that repeats 4 times. Let's go on to the second section. Here we have very short tones, and we're going to play in position 3, tending to use my 4th finger on string 3, fret 5. So I play. So let me go over those positions here. Position 3, string 3, fret 5, string 4, fret 5, back to string 3, and then back and forth between frets 5 and 3. Okay, and then we're going to play string 3, fret 5, string 4, fret 5, just like before, but this time we're going to go into string 3, fret 5, fret 3, 5 on string 4, and fret 3 on string 5. So I'll go over some suggested picking directions here based on alternate picking. All right, so we have down, up, down, up, up, up. Okay, and then the next half of it, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so that gives us the notes, the positions, some picking direction ideas. Let's talk about chord voicings. We can play an open position C7 like this. You could exclude string 1 if you like. Or we could play like this. Now another option is to put a 9 in there, so that would sound like this. And then we could optionally omit string 5 here, maybe keep our finger on the string. And maybe even play around with some muting, combined with pressing, and maybe some sliding and muting. So put those all kind of together. So let's go up to position 8. So here's a C7. Okay, so we can use that. We can use just the first 4 strings as well and do the same kinds of techniques. Maybe sliding, muting, and getting kind of a funky groove going on it. You may find that you need more help with this tune. Sign up for a guitar consultation by clicking the link down in the description below. Also, check out our member area at Fretprints.com. There's a free trial. And don't forget to join our email list for free lessons sent straight to your inbox. Well, have a great practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.